This is the opening screen of the Homes and Materials section of our Early Science title, which is itself part of our Early Years series and designed for children of early years age group or ability. It's also very good for EAL teaching because of the wide vocabulary contained within it. As you can see, we've got a number of buttons on the opening screen, and there you can open individual activities, or we can go to the menu here to open individual screens. And here we are, we'll go back here. Now before we go any further, I want you to take you one step backwards to show you that I've chosen the numbers option rather than the normal default, and I'll explain why in a moment. We'll go through now to we'll choose this activity. The numbers down at the bottom. Now we have a number of panels here with words on them.
Detach, semi-detached,
and so on. If we click on that, we will find that 3 of the houses or groups of houses are in fact already placed, and we only have to place
semi-detached
3 more. So here we are, semi-detached, and we put semi-detached there.
Lighthouse.
Now if we put lighthouse here, it'll go to the correct place, but will be lighter and with a square around it. And the bungalow goes there. And we have a try again. If we want to repeat the activity, we simply
Homes.
click there, and once again, 3
semi-detached, lighthouse, bungalow.
And there we are. We have our reward. Now attached to that are 2 other screens. Left click to open the worksheet, and here we are. We can show the date, and we can put the words in the correct places and match up with the homes, or we can return there
homes,
and we can do a right click, and in this case we open a writing panel. We can bring anything down onto there, and we could write detached house for that one and so on, or the children could describe their own houses and say what kind of house they are. Totally open-ended. If we go back now to the opening screen, let's take 2 more from here. Actually, we'll take another 3. We'll take that one.
Things in a lounge.
And we'll do that, which means
cooker.
All the others have got to be done. Things that are in a lounge go in the lounge. Things that are not in the lounge, we bin. And so on. If we now go to the next one, things in a dining room.
Things in a bedroom.
And so on.
Things in a study.
And if this time we click 2, everything is done apart from the last one, the last 2.
Printer.
And we could have a printer there, and there we are. 2 out of 2, and well done. And that is useful for special needs. And here we are now. If we go to 2 more quickly, we'll go to this one, which is an ordering activity.
Put the objects in the right order.
And once again, we'll go to 2 here, and one of them has been done for us, and so on. Now, if we go back to the home button, and we go back here, and we click on normal, and to do this last activity here,
transparent,
and of course,
window.
We have no buttons here, no numbers, I should say. Not transparent and transparent. Putting them in the wrong place. Glass, transparent, not transparent, and so on until we finish. And once again, the worksheet and the write about. And that's just part of our early science title. Just take you through some of these screens to finish.
Float, do not float. Magnetic, non-magnetic. Waterproof, not waterproof. Flexible, rigid. Hard, soft. Put the objects in the right order.
And here we are back to the ordering activity, and those are just a few screens from our Homes and Materials section of Early Science.
Wool.